Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Quick look for you here tonight at BETR stock. This one we are seeing today rise by 35%. We're asking the question of what are we looking at next. We're asking the question of course, what is going on. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. But I'd also like to remind you that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now to look at this in a bit more detail, I'm going to be covering this on Patreon as well. But yeah, we are seeing some important news here. We'll be breaking down what this means over there after I filmed all of these YouTube videos. So again, link is in the description. You get a lot of content every single day. I do find it to be a useful resource. So what are we seeing here? Now to break this down briefly, again, we'll cover it on Patreon. We can see that BETR stock has rocketed as the open door bull. Eric Jackson hypes the Shopify of mortgages and predicts 350x gains. We're seeing retail go all in, so we are seeing New York-based Betr Home and Finance, which is up significantly, right, closing 46% on Monday and ripping higher after hours. So that is, of course, part of the article. You can find that and read it yourself. I'll be giving more of my opinions over on Patreon. But as I say, this is looking very good. We're seeing this one now push up yet again. We're seeing this one absolutely just moving higher and higher and higher. And now things are like, well, where do we go from here? Well, for this, I want to zoom out to the 5-day and view this in context, right? This is a beginning of a major push up here. This is something absolutely huge. The most impressive thing, you can see this very clearly here on the 1-day, on the 5-day, the stock is actually holding up very nicely. Yes, the numbers are huge, yes it is, but it's not really like massively shaky. You know, we're seeing some very stable growth and we're seeing some very stable consolidation through today as well. Speaking of which, levels of support that we're going to be looking for are around 62, I should say, 62.90 up to $63. $63 could be a significant level to watch out for. If you do not see that hold, you're looking then to 62.20. And if you do not see that one hold, then you are looking to 59.50. So those are the levels to the downside. I think things here are looking relatively okay. I think to the upside, you're looking to break 69.88 into $70. You're then looking to, of course, push onto 73.74, which has been the recent level of resistance to the upside for a potential push onto 75. Now, I do expect things here in the next few days to be relatively volatile. If we continue to see consolidation like what we did through the late part of today, honestly, that is probably one of the best results that we could ask for. Again, I'll be speaking more about this over the next couple of days, but I am looking for a breakout on this stock. Again, for me at the moment, a breakout would see this one pushing above 75. I do think that is going to be possible in the next few days. That is just my opinion. Again, it's going to be a relatively high risk play anyway, especially when you zoom out in context, right? We are coming to a very much a make or break channel. You're seeing this channel between maybe 63, 60, I should say. And then to the upside, you're looking at maybe 70, 75, right? This is a level of difficulty to watch for. I do think that is possible that we could be pushing 75 in the next couple of days, but it is going to take a few things to line up. So a very high risk, high reward play. A stock which many people think has a lot of potential. I'll be giving you more of my opinions again over on Patreon later in the evening. Anyway, I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this one. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much. See you again soon, guys. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from $14.50 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.